Are you planning to move your data to the cloud? Before you do so, it's critical to evaluate the potential benefits and challenges involved, because not having a clear migration strategy can lead to confusion, delays, and costly mistakes. That's why in this video, we'll help you determine the best practices for a successful cloud migration. Hi, I'm Rick from the Managed Technology channel. Having helped hundreds of businesses move away from on-premise servers, we've seen the common pitfalls when trying to migrate to the cloud. So in this video, we'll go over, number one, what is cloud migration? And number two, what are the best practices for cloud migration? What is cloud migration? Cloud migration refers to moving digital assets such as applications, data, and your organization's entire workload from an on-premise infrastructure to a cloud-based one. This can include moving to public cloud platforms like Amazon Web Service or AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, as well as private or hybrid cloud environments. By moving to the cloud, businesses can reduce their reliance on physical infrastructure and expect increased agility, scalability, and cost savings. What are the best practices for cloud migration? Cloud migration is a complex process. It requires careful planning, execution, and management to avoid common pitfalls and ensure a smooth transition. Here's what you can do. Number one, conduct a thorough assessment. Before you begin your cloud migration, it's essential to conduct a thorough assessment of your current infrastructure. This will help you understand your existing systems, applications, and data, along with identify any potential challenges you may face during the migration. You should also identify any business-critical applications and services and prioritize them accordingly. Number two, develop a comprehensive migration plan. Your migration plan should include a detailed timeline, a list of tasks, and responsibilities for each team member involved in the migration process. Consider creating a backup plan for any unforeseen issues that may arise during the migration. Number three, choose the right cloud provider. Evaluate cloud providers based on security, scalability, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Furthermore, look into the provider's track record, customer reviews, and certifications. Number four, optimize your applications and data for the cloud. Consider redesigning your applications to take advantage of cloud-native services such as serverless computing, containers, and microservices. You should also augment your data for the cloud by using cloud-based data storage services such as Amazon or Microsoft Azure. Optimizing your applications and data for the cloud can help you reduce costs and improve overall performance. Number five, establish a robust security framework. Implement security controls such as identity and access management, network security, and data encryption to protect your data and application. It's also essential to conduct regular security assessments and audits to identify potential vulnerabilities and take corrective actions. Number six, train your team. Cloud migration requires different skills and expertise separate from traditional IT operations. Therefore, you must train your team to ensure they have the necessary skills and knowledge to manage their cloud environment. Provide training on cloud infrastructure, security, compliance, and automation tools. And lastly, number seven, monitor and optimize your cloud environment. Once you've completed your cloud migration, make sure to monitor and optimize your cloud environment regularly. Monitor your cloud environment for performance issues, security threats, and compliance violations. At the same time, optimize your cloud environment by resizing instances, adjusting configurations, and implementing automation tools to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Now that you know how critical following the cloud best practices is to cloud migration, you can confidently start planning the transition. As you begin your journey to the cloud, be sure to find the best solution that works for your business. Check out our article where we go over how to choose the right cloud service provider for you. If you need guidance on your migration, you can schedule a meeting with us. We have a team of experts who can help you through every step of the process while ensuring that your data is protected and secure in the cloud.